Here we have 5ab to the power of minus 3 multiplied with a fifth a to the power of negative 6b. And as I explained before, we do not look at the variables yet, we simply work with the coefficients. So if I say 5 times 1/5, that will be equal to 1, because this is 5 over 1 times 1 over 5, which becomes 1. Now we can work with the exponents. So I have a to the power of 1 and a to the power of minus 6. And because we are multiplying, we'll add those together. So it'll be 1 plus minus 6. Then we take the exponents of b and add them together. So it's b to the power of minus 3 plus 1. So remember, if there's not an exponent, that exponent is 1. And if I simplify, I can drop the 1. So I don't have to write the 1. And I'll have a to the power of 1 plus minus 6, which is the same as saying 1 minus 6. And therefore it's a to the power of minus 5. B to the power of minus 3 plus 1. So that's b to the power of negative 2. Now in algebra, our practice is to leave our answers in positive exponents. And what we have learned before, if I have anything to a negative value, I can rewrite it as 1 over a to the power of n. So I can rewrite our answer as 1 over a to the power of 5b squared. So I move both the a and the b with its exponents below 1. And now my answer is complete because my answer is in positive exponents.